Hello, hello. Just look who's on my back. Hi, Elliott.
Hello.
And by the way, it's Elliott's birthday. Happy birthday, Elliott. Walking and talking doesn't come that easy as before. It was like we're trying to talk. I'm trying. Elliott is doing absolutely fine. But since I'm not doing hiking that often as before, then talking and walking doesn't come together. But by the way, beautiful morning. It feels like the end of the rain season. There haven't been really strong rains in the afternoon for like 3 or 4 days. Water conditions getting really good, so we are absolutely happy. Later today and tomorrow we're gonna have some dives, so that's why I will include that also in this episode.
Ja,
Ja,
tuak.
Ja.
Oh, air.
Air. Ja. Minum.
Minum.
Nah. Pagi. That's how we do. It's like going out for hiking once in 6 months, drop a word about the life, how's the things going, and then we'll see when we will see each other for the next time. You look pretty wet.
I'm saturated.
How was it?
It was good. Good birthday hike. Feeling young.
And as the diving day is over, January, February been pretty rough in we're talking about diving. In some point I was actually happy, like I told you already in a previous episode, because the conditions were too challenging for diving. And you know, I know back home we diving in any pond, in any quarry just to get into the water, but here people looking for something to see, right? And if there is no visibility, no one really wants to dive. What basically we did Liberty Wreck. We did Liberty Wreck at night yesterday. Today we did Coral Garden and Liberty Wreck, and the conditions comparing with yesterday conditions was way better. First in 2 months we have a schedule again, which is great. I think that's it for today. This episode comes out not really in a scheduled manner, but I don't know, we've been really busy Saturday and Sunday and I had no time to edit. Like yesterday we finished diving like 11 p.m. just because we started night dive at around 9 p.m. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.